Hey everybody, Isabella here. Hi. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make super simple healthy ice cream. It's going to be healthy cookies and cream ice cream. So first step, you're going to fill your blender. I'm just using a NutriBullet with frozen bananas. So the next step is to fill your blender with about 6 ounces. I actually did half almond milk, half oat milk, just because I ran out of almond milk. So you can use whatever plant-based milk or even regular milk, whatever you choose. So you just fill that with, like I said, about 6 ounces or so. It really depends on how many bananas. So I used about 2 1/4 cups banana. So you just kind of give it a little bit of a shake first. Isabella gets nervous with this, so I'm just gonna kind of rock her. For me personally, I like to put it on the Nutri Ninja blend, and usually it takes a little bit for it to fully blend up. Now that it's all blended, I'm gonna show you guys. We're just gonna shut the blender off. We're gonna take it out. We're basically left with soft serve consistency of the ice cream. Super duper yummy, super creamy. So now I'll show you guys what I like to do. I like to put a couple Oreos on top to make it like cookies and cream. So I'm just gonna put a couple, and you can kind of make it look cute. So this is super yummy. And a lot of times what I like to do is I like to put it in the freezer for a little bit after I've made it, because now that it's been sitting out, it gets a little bit more runny. So as you can see, it's kind of like melting a little bit. But it is delicious. It tastes just like soft serve ice cream, only it's healthy. And the Oreos are so yummy. You can hear Isabella. All right, you guys, I hope you try it out. If you do, let me know how you like it. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye.